Want to unlock a stream of new clients and transform your real estate game? Then start using TikTok ads. First, head over to TikTok Ads Manager and create an account or log in if you already have one. This is where the magic happens. Next, define your advertising objective. Are you driving traffic to your listings, generating leads, or building brand awareness? Choose the objective that best aligns with your goals. Now, pinpoint your ideal audience by carefully selecting demographics, interests, behaviors, and even custom audiences based on your existing client list for super targeted reach. Craft compelling ad content that stops the scroll. Think short, attention-grabbing videos showcasing stunning property features, local area highlights, or even quick market updates. Authenticity is key. Set your budget and schedule wisely. You can choose a daily or lifetime budget and select specific dates and times to run your ads for optimal impact. Finally, track your campaign performance like a hawk. Monitor key metrics to see what's working and what's not. Then tweak your targeting, content, or budget to maximize your ROI. With TikTok ads, you're not just reaching potential clients, you're reaching them where they spend their time and building a powerful real estate brand. #TikTok ads #Realtor marketing.